If you want to create a travel guide website, a dynamic package list is the best way to showcase your packages. Let's find out how to create a dynamic package list. Add a new section on our existing code. If you don't watch our previous video, please check the I button. I need a div as a container. Here I'm adding a heading and a short description. Let's decorate this part. After the heading, I need an underline. For that, I'm using span as an inline block. Also add background as green with width and height. Here I keep all the packages inside an array object. Also, I created our package data model. This data model makes it easy to iterate all the data from the array object. Let's create a package detail container. In the aside, I need a div for overlay and put our text inside it. Import this component inside our page. Let's decorate this package component. Here I'm adding background image with inline CSS. This is another method to add background image in the Tailwind CSS. Our div needs to be flex to keep all the text in the middle. Initially, our overlay stays invisible. Only on hover it will be visible. For that, I'm using opacity 0, and on hover it will be 100%. One more thing, this overlay is only visible when we hover on aside. To recognize the parent hover action, Tailwind use group class, and child elements use the group-hover modifier. Here we go. I'm using flex on this div to keep 3 items in one row, and flex wrap to put more than 3 items on the next row. Let's iterate our packages array using map. Also call the package data model. Here mention the array index as the component key and pass the package details with package info props. Our component doesn't accept any props. Let's enable it. Finally, show the values from the props object. Also add a transition delay on our overlay. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.